Hi guys, this is Chan the Creative Cat, and in this video I will show you how I'm training my parrot to do different tricks and how I'm taming him to my hand. Well, he is already tame, but how I'm calming him down before training. So this is his was the first training part when he had to turn around, and it took not that it wasn't that hard, but at first he was quite scared, and then we tamed him with apple pieces and I was scratching him with every time he was doing something good. And this is before training, how I calm him down, because sometimes he gets literally crazy, starts running about, getting crazy. Even when I just put them both on the, just not even for training, just for making a video on Instagram, we do have those problems when Ricky just gets crazy and starts running about so basically like this, and he gets running around and just gets really scared of everything. But then I put him on one place, I talk a bit to him and just calming him down. Yeah, sorry about that. So here we have a beautiful day and just a video on Instagram, and here how my parrot is getting some bath and they're having fun together. Ricky does when I put him up and he could look out of the window, he starts saying some birdie words, and this is how he looks close up. I know it's a bit blurry, but Ricky can do some of the trick automatically, and this is how he does it. He just turns around and just goes away, and then yeah, this is how they all stay together when they see my phone. But sometimes Ricky can run away, and so this is them both together standing on a window. When I'm far away, they just stand in the middle. When I'm close to them, they just go to the corner. And this is their bath time. And it can be on the same day or sometimes different days. Sometimes when I see Tiki having a bath and Ricky trying to go in, so they have a bath in the feeder, and I see them both trying to fight over the bath. I just take that spray thing, I know I don't have the word for it, and just spray them. Ricky does like this, but Tiki is a bit scared. She just sits in a corner, puts her head up and just sits there. So this is after some bath and they're just running around, they can't. This is what happens when you just put Ricky on the window, he just gets crazy and runs around. And so this is how their day goes, and not always, but when it's really sunny, I just love to take them out and they have fun and they have bath and they run around, put their cage on near them, and they sit in the cage, jump back up, and sometimes they do go on the bed, but I'm she's trying to take them away. Now this is how I'm training him as well. I know this is the same video, but the one for Instagram, this is just for YouTube. And he gets used to that, and he's fine with it. And here's how, this was the worst thing, is when you try to train your parrot to go on the bed. And it depends, if you have blankets and stuff like that, white or brown or dark colours but not bright, they'll be fine there. But because we have a bit red, pink colours, and it is in my room, and he gets a bit scared. And this is how we're training him to go on his back, and it's really hard, especially when he gets start biting me. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to strangle him or anything, I just lightly take his neck because he's a bit used to do that and turn around. But now I found a new thing how to do that. Can you see I'm just trying to do it really lightly and then give him to climb up back. But he's a bit better now, and I just don't need to do that. And like this. And so thank you very much for watching. Put like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, see you soon.